Tell him to take it back. Well, no, once you get out, you fall in the water.
Okay, back cattle.
Come on, Cameron, this one.
Out. Yep. Yep. Step on.
Find the tire. Find the tire. Look. Give him the cup cleaner.
Good. Good. Okay, you guys can switch canoes with my cattle again.